Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, February 14th, 2018. Of course, happy Valentine's Day out there to all those celebrating, and also Ash Wednesday. So, certainly a combination of events going on for today. So, we start out the morning, unfortunately, for the northern interior, right around northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, with some freezing rain as warm air is building into the region. Now, the good news is that temperatures are starting to rise, but we're still in the upper 20s to lower 30s in these areas. So watch out for very icy and slick roadways in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, and portions of the Hudson River Valley. The rest of the region range from the mid 30s to upper 30s with a southwesterly wind starting to develop over the region. On the surface map, a weak shortwave has moved through, high pressure is off the coast, and we're going to get a series of weak low pressure systems rotating through the region today on through tomorrow before we get a stronger cold front that moves through on Friday, leading to the threat for scattered showers. And in the meantime, some very warm weather conditions. On the radar, you can see that shortwave is leaving now, but pretty much just scattered a broken cloud cover throughout the region. And again, this is what basically produced that low ice event. Okay, now it's gone. For the rest of the forecast period on through the end of this week, we will remain above freezing for the entire time period. So by the time we get to mid to late morning, we'll start to see a relaxation in the icing threat on the surface in these locations. So temperatures will rise very nicely above freezing and everything will melt off. On the infrared satellite picture, again, for the most part, scattered cloud cover in place, but we do have a lot of moisture back here to the southwest, and basically areas of shortwave disturbances and moisture will rotate through the region today on through tomorrow into early Friday morning before this cold front back here moves through, leading to periods of showers throughout the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds, a threat for a few isolated showers, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tonight, a threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers. Otherwise, broken to overcast cloud cover is expected with low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, a threat for scattered showers can be expected, with temperatures rising into the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s over the rest of the region. On Friday, a cold front will move through with periods of showers, heavy at times. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s and highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Now on Saturday, strong high pressure is going to build in, and this is going to be a very key, important part of the forecast here. This high pressure system will build into the region, producing clearing skies and transport a very cold air mass for this time of year into the region. We'll have lows in the mid 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. So we have a cold air mass that's in place. Now what happens is that this high pressure system starts to exit, and this low pressure system rapidly dives towards the region. The concern here with this low pressure system, as it's diving towards the region with cold air in place, even though the high pressure system is leaving, is that it will be strong enough to produce a period of rain and snow. And some of that snow may accumulate. So on Saturday, again, we have a cold air in place. Saturday night, the low pressure system approaches. On Sunday, the low pressure system rapidly exits on Sunday morning. This is a fast moving system, but we'll be dealing with, at the very least, scattered rain and snow showers. How much accumulation is pretty questionable at this time. Earlier, yesterday afternoon, we had some mild guides that came in rather robust, producing anywhere from a 6 to 10 inch snowfall. The guidance this morning backed off on that significantly, with about 1 to 3 inches on cold surfaces. So the forecast here is rather volatile. And what's interesting is that the cold air mass is being replaced by a Pacific air mass as this is all evolving. So on Sunday morning, we'll have lows in the lower to mid 20s, obviously cold enough for snow accumulation. By the time we get to the afternoon with the low pressure system leaving, temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 40s. So anything that does accumulate will melt rapidly. And again, the fast nature of this low pressure system and the pattern overall would lean more towards a light precipitation event, a light snow accumulation, but we'll keep an eye on this evolution very carefully. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Lows will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Tuesday, a warm front will move through with scattered showers. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the mid to upper 60s. And on Wednesday, that warm front will be north of the region. We'll still have a threat for isolated to widely scattered showers. Look for lows in the lower to mid 50s, highs in the upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast, and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.